Welcome everybody to the video introducing the video backlink bomber, and this is a new sneaky software that is officially it's white hat. But why is it sneaky? Well, it actually uses something that you're allowed to do with YouTube videos, or a particular type of YouTube videos, to put your backlinks into the description. So it's very sneaky, and it works by finding the top ranking videos that are of this particular type. So let's just go ahead and do a search so that you can get the gist of how this works and how this is going to help you to build video content for your channel. So let's just enter a keyword term, video marketing, and let's only get back the results where video marketing appears in the title. So we'll click on search, and now there's all sorts of ways you can use this for your video marketing, for your backlink marketing. You can, for example, look at products that are selling through affiliate marketing, and you can find videos about those, and you can put them on your channel and put your own URL in, perhaps to a landing page, and on that landing page you can have links to your own affiliate marketing offer. You could do the same with launch jacking. You can see which people have ranked videos very quickly for a particular product, and you could group all of those videos together and all pointing at your landing page for that particular keyword. But now you can see we've got the results back. In this case we've got 44 videos that have come back. So I'm just going to take a couple of those videos for now so that we can see how the software works. I've selected them and I'm going to download the selection, and clicking that pops them into this downloads panel, and it automatically after a couple of seconds starts to download them. And we can see the progress here, one of them going very quickly. It's probably a smaller video, and what happens is the software will completely download them, and then it will tell us where they're stored on our computer. Should we wish to view them, or should we wish to use them in our blog, we can of course do just that. But the purpose of this software is not just about downloading, it's about being able to put our own domain name or our URL into the description of these videos. And if we go back just to the found videos panel, we can see, so that we see when these videos get uploaded, we can see we've got rank YouTube channel. Here we start with a URL for the top online businessqueen.com. Here we've got another one, YouTube, it's a Spanish or probably Portuguese, so we have, obviously these are coming back with URLs in their title and in the description. And what the software will do is let us basically be very sneaky and take all the hard work of these internet marketers, or these people who've put together their videos, and it will let us put our video, put their video into our channel with almost exactly the same keyword titles and description. Just one difference: we're going to strip out, in this case, we want to strip out any links that are in the description, and we want to put our own URL in there. So I'm just going to select one here. We're going to go to the uploads panel, select this one, and click on start, just to show you how that works. So we have here, these options are pre-checked: keep original title, keep original description, remove description links, and here's the option to insert our link. So we're going to do that now. And this could be to any page that we want. Keep original category, keep original keywords, and we're going to do that. I'm going to select the account and start uploading, and the software begins uploading to the account that's shown here, and won't take too long for that video to appear in my YouTube account, and then we'll be able to see if it has changed, as we see this description here, and how it's changed it to include backlink that I've specified. Obviously the great advantage with this software is to do this for 20 or 30 or 40 videos at a time. You can simply set the software up, let it do the work, and come back an hour or so later and it will all be done for you. And that's again the sneakiness of this software, because what we want to do with video marketing is always take some shortcuts if it's possible, but keeping within the rules and regulations that YouTube and Google put upon us. This is a great way to get content, and it's a great way to put our backlinks into that content. Now let's go to YouTube. Let's have a look, and we'll just reload this page, and we can see it's processing that video. But let's have a look at the video itself and the description. And you see a difference in that description there? It's popped our link in, and the link works, and so we can see that it really is a great software, and it's really going to help you build out. You can do this with a new YouTube account, you can do it with a series of YouTube accounts, but it's using videos that are called Creative Commons, and these are videos that users, when they've uploaded them, they've marked them as videos that can be edited, can be used on other channels and accounts, and can be used in other projects. So that is the video backlink bomber software in a nutshell. And what we've got is you can purchase this software on a great price for a single license. You can purchase it on an amazing just a few dollars more for the multiple installation version. And a fantastic way to work with the software is to sell it with the PLR rights, and you can get that for a very small additional cost, and you're going to make your money back whatever you do with the software, whether you use it for your own backlinking, whether you take up the PLR offer. It's going to be a fantastic tool in your video marketing arsenal.